Are you looking for a Halloween gruesome treat that's full of disgust? How about owl barf pellets? You know, owls like to barf. Well, you can make barf pellets that you can eat. Let's do it. In a pan, we need to melt a 1/4 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of cocoa. Bring to a boil and stir continuously for 1 minute. Remove from heat. 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats go in. 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I've got some pretzel sticks here, and I'm gonna break them up into the puke pot, about 1/2 cup. And 1/4 cup of flaked coconut. Mix it all together and allow it to cool. I'm gonna drop it by the spoonful onto a cookie sheet. Now you just allow these to cool in the refrigerator for 10 minutes, and soon they'll be owl barf pellets. They've cooled a bit, and I'm gonna take it and form it into an owl pellet shape. What do you think? Does it look like an owl pellet? Owl barf pellet. The pretzels are like the crunch of a rodent's bones. Thanks for watching. What do you call a baby owl that's gone swimming? A moist owlet.